Yeah. Write down like sanity testing, we call like a build verification testing, build acceptance testing, build
So
verification testing,
build.
yeah, build verification
All are
testing,
same.
yeah,
Build
build
verification testing.
build acceptance testing
Hmm.
or sanity testing.
Okay. Sanity testing or build acceptance testing.
Build verification
Hmm.
testing.
Verification testing. Okay.
Yeah, usually in this type of testing, the testers will check. Usually in this type
In
of
this type
testing,
testing,
the testers will check
testers will check.
point one whether
Hmm.
the build can be properly installed or not.
Can be
Whether the build
properly
can be properly
installed or
installed or
not.
not.
Fixed.
Yeah. Whether
Fixed or installed.
installed means or fixed anything.
Okay, okay. Oh,
Two. Whether
whether
navigate to all the pages of application.
navigate
Yeah, navigate to all
to all
the pages or links of the application.
pages of. Okay.
Or not.
Or not.
Yeah. Same thing, like maybe some companies even call this type of testing as a smoke testing or sanity testing or build verification testing. It depends on company they called.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
they call like that. Okay. Mm. In interviews, they ask like maybe sometimes they ask like what is the difference between sanity testing and smoke testing, or what is difference between sanity testing and the build verification testing. Almost everything are same. They ask only for confused purpose. You say like it is same like that. Okay.
Oh.
Then they ask like regression testing and retesting also same thing. They ask like what are the difference between retesting and regression testing. Means retesting, it is a type of testing. Uh, we can perform the testing in some same functionality again and again with multiple sets of values. Means if I found an issue, then if the same issue if I retest, then it is called a retesting.
Okay.
Okay, during regression testing also retesting will be conducted. Okay, retesting starts from first build and continues up to last build. Okay, and regression testing. What is regression testing? Whenever the testers find some defects, we have to send it to the particular developer or development team. After fixing or replication, that developers will fix that issue. After fixed that issue, they have to put build. Okay.
Okay.
Again, we have to test it. It is working or not. The functionality, the same functionality, sorry, the defect functionality is related, the functionality are working fine or not, we have to check in regression.
Okay.
Or whenever new features are implemented or added to your application, again you have to test, means again we have to regression, means for old modules also we have to test the regression. Okay,
Okay.
here any doubts on this?
Starting you said like in functional testing, black box testing is a functional testing.
Yes, please. I'm unable to hear your voice.
Starting you said no functional testing. Black box testing is a functional testing.
Yes,
Yeah. Can you explain it how? We'll be testing functionality of any app. How it works.
I did not get you.
Um, okay. Explain me how this one black box testing is a functional testing. You explain me, right? That I want.
Black box test, we have black box testing and white box testing. Okay,
Mm.
so
Okay.
in that black box testing, what is black box testing? What is black box testing?
Internal. I don't know.
Hmm? What is black box testing? Okay. Black box testing means it does not use knowledge of internal structure or code. Means if you don't have any knowledge on coding, so
Okay.
you but you can test the application. Here, the
Okay.
test engineer or software engineer need not know the internal working of black box of application. Means if you don't know about like a coding language, you can test the application. See, you are using like Facebook or Gmail and everything.
Mm.
So, do you know in which domain, like in which technology they use it for that, like .NET or Java? You don't know, but you are using.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
black box testing is the focus on functionality of the system and behavior of the system. Okay,
Okay.
means like a non-technical persons also can do black box testing. What you have to do in black box
Okay.
testing, we can verify the actual and unactual things. Means here we can verify the functionality of the application.
It means whatever the results we are actual results we are giving, that same results are coming in expected results or not. So we are
Yeah,
comparing.
you are comparing. You are comparing.
Okay.
But see, if you don't have knowledge of coding also, you can test the application.
Okay.
See, when you test your application, you are not seeing the coding. You are not seeing the coding, but you have to test the application.
Okay.
Means testers enter the valid inputs to check the functionality is working or not.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
In black box testing, okay,
Mm.
functionality testing and non-functionality will come. Means there are many types of black box testings under functional testing and non-functional testing, like that.
Mm.
Okay, they call like a black box testing and a white box testing. In interviews also they ask like what is black box testing, what is white box testing.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. White box means we need to know the coding of the system
Yes.
application.
Yeah. When you know the coding, then it is white box testing. Black box testing means without coding also you can test the application.
Okay.
That is black box testing and white box testing. But the
You said
main disadvantages of black box testing is you don't know the coding language.
yeah.
Okay. Maybe
Okay.
sometimes they ask like, do you have any black box techniques? Yes, I
Mm.
know the techniques. Means we can black box techniques are BVA, error guessing like that. These
Okay.
are black box techniques.
Those are not important, or you will explain later.
Yeah, I will explain it later. I
Okay.
will
Okay.
explain it later. Okay. Okay. Where you are actually like, if you want anything, you can write black box testing. Actually, we have three types of testings: black box testing, white box testing, gray box testing.
Okay.
Black box testing means like performs testing only on final part of an application, and means not final, it's a functionality part of an application without having knowledge on coding. Okay.
Coding.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
White box means white box
We need to
testing.
have
Yeah,
coding.
they call like a white box or glass box. Maybe sometimes they call like a clear box.
Mm.
If you
Layer.
have, yeah, clear,
Okay.
clear
Clear.
box.
Clear. Oh.
Yeah. If we have an idea on structural part of an application, then you can test it. Usually developers do this type of testing.
Okay.
Okay, generally developers
Mm.
do this type of testing. Okay, so black box
Okay.
testing, white box testing, and gray box testing are
Okay.
available.
Gray box means
Gray box means like a both
mix. I mean
mixed,
hybrid like.
yeah, hybrid, just like a hybrid.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
any idea here? Any doubts here?
Mm. While doing any testing in real time, uh, you said depending upon the project, we'll be doing all testings, right? Testing depending on that.
Yes, depending on
Then,
project means uh, before I explained about like see here smoke, sanity, integration, ad hoc, regression, exploratory monkey testing are there. Okay,
mm,
see, and here usability, security, performance, load, compatibility are there. These all types of testing is depends on your application, your client requirement. Before I explained about SRS document, BRS, FRS, functional requirement specification, client send a document to you that is called as a requirement document. In that particular requirement document, they mention like I need security testing for this project. They mention like I need
okay,
performance testing for this project. They mention like I need browser testing on IE 11, IE 10, IE 9, and Chrome 40, 41, 42, 43 like that, and Firefox.
okay,
They mention only three browser types. So we can test only that three browsers. No need to test other browsers. If this project is related to the UK or US, you can test in Safari.
Safari. Okay.
Yeah,
It is also one kind of browser.
yes, Safari is the one kind of browser. There are a lot of types of browsers are there. I will explain in my coming classes.
Okay,
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 so it's all depends on your client requirements. If client mention I want this type of testings, you can test the type of testings for that application. Otherwise, no required.
If suppose if suppose he didn't mention anything like you need to test only this particular testing
Yes,
using this particular testing,
that is
then
exploratory testing. That is exploratory testing. If client does not send any documents, like ADA testing is also there, no? They did not send any
yeah,
documents. They said like, please test on IE. So you can test on IE like that.
okay. I mean like Internet Explorer, we need to test it. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. And you said testings are only three types, but here many are there. No, what these are different, and those three are different.
Testing, sir?
You said there are three types of testing: black box testing, white box, and gray
Yes.
box. Then what are these
Yes.
here on screen
In
you're
black
showing
box.
that?
Yeah. In black box testing, they have divided into functional testing and non-functional testing.
Okay.
Previous class I explained about what are the functional testing, what are the non-functional testing. I said, no, what is functional testing, what is non-functional testing, what in non-functional testing, what in functional testing. There are three types: black box, white box, gray box. In black box, under divided into functional testing, regression testing, functional testing, non-functional testing. Are you clear about this?
Yeah.
Again divided into black box testing. Are you clear?
Okay. In testing, 1 minute. In testing only there are two types, functional and non-functional. Okay. In
Yeah.
functional again they have redivided.